Cooking Time with Daniela. It's me again, Daniela Ukpo. We are still on New Year food preparation. So we decided to do this plantain. 2 ripe and overripe plantain. See, I'm using how many? 8 overripe plantain. I will be using it to make an Emieki, like plantain pudding. Stay tuned and see how I make my own. Thank you. Okay, so I will be adding onions to the plantain, and these 2 pepper, seasoning, and crayfish and fish, and salt. I will grind all together. This is the plantain and onions, pepper, crayfish, and the seasoning I grind together. So this is flour plantain. Because the plantain is very soft, I will just add small flour plantain inside to help it fold, because I want it like strong, stay together, stronger than like moi moi. Stronger than moi moi. Yeah, so that's why I'm adding this one. I will just, until I get what I want, I will just keep stirring. I mixed that plantain flour inside, so I'll be putting this palm oil now. Mix together till they are all mixed well. Just keep mixing it. Remember, unripe plantain or ripe plantain, all kind of plantain, they're natural food. They don't really need too much of ingredients like that. They just kind of local food. It's not what you need many Maggi or all those kind of seasonings for. You just use few one, not too much. For me, that's the one I add before. That's the only one I will be using. I don't have to add many things to it. So I will start tying. It's the same way of doing the moi moi one. The leaves still have water, so it's actually better if you dry. I just wash mine because each time I bring them out from freezer, I wash them. They will always have some kind of dirty stuff out of it. So yeah. So it's just the same way of tying it. If you have another better way of tying it, yes, that's good. These leaves are very strong. Yeah, just continue the same thing until you don't ripen all. This is the last one inside, so I continue the same process. Okay, just be adding little bit water inside as you going to cook them. Too much of water will cover up your pudding. So yeah, just put small water as you cook. Okay, 45 minutes at least. So this one is still over 45 minutes, but it would be better if you do 45 minutes. This is how it look like inside. Yeah, we're done with the plantain pudding. So this is the last part of it. I like the way it turned out, and the taste is very perfect. Remember, you don't need too much of stuff to cook a plantain, because plantain already have that sweet with it. So there is no need for you to add too much of things inside. So see you next week.